Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to make your text pop in your videos. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe my channel for daily video editing tutorials. So open Premiere Pro, add your video clip, add your text. Now decrease the size to 0 at start of your text. Now add 5 frames and then increase your text size to 125. You can do this by pressing Shift and right button of your keyboard. Now add 4 more frames and decrease text size to 85. Now add 3 more frames and increase text size to 100. Here you go, you have made your text pop. Now ease out your first keyframe and ease in your last keyframe so the animation will go smooth. Now when you've finished it, duplicate the text layer multiple times of how long you want to see it in your video. Now edit your each text. Align in center of your video in graphic panel. If you have any questions or facing any problem, feel free to comment.